How to get AliExpress promo code. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To get yourself your AliExpress promo code, firstly launch a browser in your device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for AliExpress promo code. In here, you'll find various of websites dealing with the promo code and coupon code. You can actually tap on any of this website. In the designated website, you will find various of promo code and coupon code that you can use. Always make sure to check for the expiration date of the promo code or the coupon code. In some of the websites, you will even get the chance to enter email address and subscribe to AliExpress so that you never miss out any of the coupon or offers. Now to get your hands on your promo code, just tap on the promo code or the coupon code. After which you can tap on the copy button. Or if you wish to use it at instance, tap on shop now. After which you'll be redirected to the official web page of your AliExpress. To use the promo code or coupon code, firstly purchase an item off the AliExpress website. While checking out, you will get the chance to apply the promo code and you will even see substantial discount out of it. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.